Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, we are going to install an incredible ambulance job script for your FiveM server. This script is packed with realistic medical features, including a broken bone effect, injury effects, bleeding mechanics, and dynamic screen animations that change based on different injuries. It brings a whole new level of immersion to EMS roleplay, making medical interactions feel more lifelike and engaging. Not only that, this script also enhances team coordination, emergency response mechanics, and overall quality roleplay. If you are looking for the best ambulance job script to improve your server, this is the one. Today, I'll walk you through the installation process step by step. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The script is from OSP development. I'll provide the Tayback Store's link in the description below. This script is available for both QB and ESX framework. You can buy the ESX version from here. So for this video, I'll be installing the script in my QBCore framework. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit. By clicking over here, you can preview the showcase of the script. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in your granted access section of your Keymaster. You just need to click on download to download the resource. After downloading the script, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Before doing anything, make sure to delete your old QB ambulance job from here. Now open your ambulance job script. Now in here you have to run the SQL. For the QBCore, I'll be running this SQL from here. After that, click on open. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the inventory images folder. Then copy these all images from here and paste it into your QB inventory. For that, you just need to go to QB inventory, HTML, images, and paste your images over here. Click on replace. Just like this. Now open your readme file. Now you just need to copy these items from here and paste it into your items.lua. For that, you just need to go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now scroll down to the bottom of these codes and paste your items over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now open the config.lua. In here you just need to configure the framework which you are using. So I'll be using the QBCore framework. So I'll be keeping it default. Now based on your build version, you have to configure them according to it. So I'll be keeping it on true. So I'm not using the aux notifier. So I'll be changing the true to false. And for the inventory, you just need to change it to QB. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now these are the section of your Discord webhook. If you want, you can configure them. Now for the target, if you're using the target system, you just need to keep it on true. If you're using aux target, then just keep it on true. So I'm not using the aux target, I'll be using the QB target, so I'm changing it to false. Now in here, you just need to give the name of your target system which you are using. And for the dispatch section, you just need to configure the dispatch which you are using. So I'm using the default one. And you can configure the rest of them according to your use. The keybind of damage menu is O and the keybind of scaly overview is K. You can configure them as per your use. So in here you can configure your ambulance job. So I'll be keeping them default. I'll suggest you to keep the job lib on true. And from here you can configure the minimum requirement of the doctors to prevent the hospital check-in from here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And how much second will it take to heal after the check-in, that you can configure from here. If you want the inventory should get wiped when any player take respawn to the hospital, then you can set it to true. So I'll be changing it to false for now. From here you can configure the items that should not get removed when some player take respawn. So I'll be keeping it default. From here you can configure the helicopter model which you are using. From here you can configure the bill cost of check-in. So I'll be keeping it default. You can configure the last standing time and the respawn time from here. If you want to enable the player crawl system, then keep it on true. From this section, you can configure the whole regain system of your script. And from here, you can configure the whole side effect system when you get injured. And these are the skin effects which you get in different type of injuries. So you can configure them according to your use. So if you want to lock some medications, by setting it to true, only EMS can perform certain things like doing CPR, packing dead body on body bag, using the revive kit and all. Now from here, you can configure the authorized vehicle according to the grade. So I'll be keeping it default. So if you want to add more types of ambulance, then you can do it from here by giving the ambulance model and the name. So these are the items which are available on the EMS armory. So you can configure them according to your use. So I'll be keeping it default for now. From here, you can configure the locations according to your hospital MLO. So these are the configuration of your hospital bed, and this is the configuration of your X-ray bed, and these are the configuration of your jail bed. And in this script, they have working ECG system. You can configure it from here. You can configure the locations of other monitors from here. So these are the weapon classes which are defined in the script, and these are the configuration of your bone. So this is a section of weapon caliber. If you want to add any custom weapon, you can add it from here. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Let's get inside the hospital. You can see a terminal screen over here. You can configure the location of the terminal screen from here. Now let's go inside this hall and go to the stars only room. In this location, you can add your personal stash, as you can see over here. And there's a medical store over here. You just need to use your target eye to open the store. So I'm purchasing a pager from here and purchasing one ECG machine. So I brought these items from the store. In here, there's a terminal screen, as you can see. If you want to change the details from the screen, you just need to use your pager. As you can see, I have brought a pager over here. You just need to use that. Over here, you just need to give the patient's name. So I'll be giving my name. And sex will be male, and the age will be around 22. And by clicking over here, you will get a drop down box and you can select the current condition of the patient. So I'll be clicking on critical, and the ETA to arrive the hospital will be 2 minutes. Then click on confirm. And as you can see, we got a sound and our terminal screen has been changed with the details which we have given. This will alert all other EMS doctors and they will get ready for you with the patient. You can use other equipments like ECG system. You just need to use the box. You can place wherever you want. You just need to press E. After that, interact with your target eye and you can attach the ECG with the dead body. So as you can see, the reading has come. You can see the reading of the ECG. Now use your target eye, click on open options, use the defibrillator if you want, click on joule input. After that, click on confirm. It will get the shock treatment to the patient if the patient is down. After when you're done with everything, you just need to click on delete ECG. That's it. Now to open the damage menu, you just need to press O. Here you will see the condition of the patient. Currently there is no one around me, so I can't see any details over here. To extend the menu, you just need to press here. And from here you can see the particular condition of the patient. To see the right hand injury, you just need to press over here and you will see the details of the right arm injury. And for the torso, you just need to press over here. And for the legs, you just need to press over here. Just like this. And there are more other options, as you can see over here. And these are the other options you can check out from here. And by clicking over here, you can see the logs of the patient. So currently there are no logs available. Now let's use our stretcher. So this is the stretcher which comes with the script. To place the stretcher, you just need to press E. Now use your target eye. To put any patient into the structure, you just need to press over here. Currently there are no one available, so it won't work. Now click on delete stretcher to pick the stretcher in your inventory, as you can see over here. Now let's go to the rooftop. Let's call the chopper. Now let's take out our stretcher over here. Now we just need to place the stretcher nearby the chopper. After that, you just need to use your target eye. Then click on put in ambulance. As you can see, our stretcher will get inside the chopper. This is one of the best feature of the script. Now we can fly our chopper with this stretcher, as you can see over here. Now land your chopper over here. After that, come outside of the chopper. Then use your target eye on the stretcher. Click on pull out stretcher. As you can see, you will get your stretcher back. And now delete your stretcher to call the stretcher in your inventory, as you can see over here. So now let's check out the injury system. As you can see, when I got injured, we can see the injury on the mannequin on the top left, as you can see over here, and it will also show the area where we got injured. So I'll be killing myself over here. As you can see, when we get dive, we won't bleed out immediately. There is a crawl animation which will get started. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from your config file. And there are lots of more features available in this script. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.